Alright, so we've got our new OE pulley here. As you can see, it all matches up, but it is not completely split like that one. So we're going to get that on, and something cool is that Renault actually give us the special tool required to pop this seal out. So I'm going to get this all out and we'll get it fitted. Alright, so Renault actually give us the special tool required to fit this with the part. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this little seal popped in here and get it locked in. Alright, so that's our new crankshaft pulley on. We've torqued that down to spec as well, and we have checked all the other pulleys up here. So our pump, alternator, 2 idlers and our AC are all fine. So we're going to get a new belt on there now, and this will be good. Alright, last thing we have left to do is to clear faults. So we've got the top don plugged in down there, and we have just pulled up our Renault VIN number. Yes. Ignition on. We're good to go. Now we're going to have a whole lot of faults left over for most likely charging faults, and we'll see what else we've got in here. So what I'll do is I'll let this run through. We might let it run through live. It's nice and quick, so we'll let it run through the system scan. Obviously we've got no TCM because it's a manual. And then it's going to go through all our other modules here, so we'll see what faults are in here. Most of them will just be related to battery voltage. We'll be able to clear them out, go for a test drive, and this job will be all done. The top don's been really good as well with these system scans. It's generally very accurate. I've actually compared the topology that we've got here to network diagrams as well. So what we'll do here is we're going to save a report for our customer. Go. Yeah, we've compared this topology to network diagrams, and it has been very accurate too. So as you can see, bang, that's a report generated. We've got multiple faults. You say, this speed limiter fault was an issue previously. Battery voltage outside range, etc, etc, etc. Current sensor, blah blah blah. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out, we're going to clear DTCs. And we will have our cruise control fault come back as well, because the customer's going to want to fix that in the future. So we'll let these faults clear, we're going to go for a drive, and we'll be all good to go. Alright, so all that we were left with on that fault report is this DF051, which is cruise control function, open or short circuit. So that was a pre-existing issue on this car. Alright, so we're back from a good 25-minute test drive on the Renault. No lights come back, did another fault report with the top on. Everything is absolutely sweet. All we had left was that original speed limiter fault. I just wanted to show everyone, well, if we can, the torque specs for this crankshaft pulley bolt here. So this is 2 stages of torque. You've got to replace the bolt as well, which we got from Renault. It's about 25 bucks. And what did we have? We had, so it goes to 50, and then what was the stage 2 was, I believe, 144 to 156 degrees past. So that is all torqued. I've checked the witness mark on the bolt and nothing has budged after a good long drive, so this car's all good and fixed.